All right, one of the most powerful features of Tableau dashboards is dashboard interactivity. One of the most key is the ability to launch a web page from a worksheet in a dashboard and customize that web page to personalize the returned web page to whatever you'd like. One of the things that's really key and important to making sure that works is understanding the required format of the URL you're going to navigate to. So let's do a Google search and make sure we have the right format for a Google search so I can call it from a dashboard. I'm going to go to a browser and just do a Google search on myself. Love the picture. Great picture, but let's go to the address bar up here, and I've got the HTTPS, the google.com/search. In particular, the first argument here is the Q equals. I'm just going to copy that whole portion to my clipboard because I think that's going to be good enough to search on George Peck. We'll just make use of that here in a second. Close that tab, go back to Tableau, and now what I want to do is create what is called a dashboard action. There's already one in the dashboard that I'm filtering the crosstab from the map, but I want to add one additional dashboard action to go to a URL. I'm going to give this action a custom name, Google search on, and then actually insert with the right arrow the current customer name into the name of the action. We'll make this a menu action, which is either a right click on a dimension or a hyperlink from the tooltip on a measure, and I only want it to be applicable to the customer detail crosstab, not the map. So the customer detail is going to become the source sheet. The URL is going to be what I've pasted to my clipboard, right? The Google URL with the Q equals, but rather than searching for myself, we're going to delete that George Peck after the equals, and with the right arrow, insert the current customer name. That customizes that URL for each customer. Click OK, click OK, and now let's look in this customer detail crosstab. I'm going to right click on a dimension, and there's a Google search on the customer name. That's the custom URL action there. Or let's click on a measure for maybe Arthur Gaynor here. And right here in the tooltip is that URL action customized for this particular person. Let's click it. Launches the web browser and does the search for that particular person with that custom URL format. The power is pretty much universal here to customize a web page to a CRM system, an accounting system, a cloud system, an internal designed web-based system. As long as you can customize the URL, you can call it from Tableau and have a tremendous amount of Tableau dashboard interactivity. Hands-on exercise number 3, URL actions, and in particular, customizing to the proper URL format, take about 50 minutes.